Did you know you can use Miro without opening a web browser? In this video, I'll show you how to install the Miro desktop app on your Windows 11 PC or laptop using two different methods. So, let's get started. Method 1. Install Miro from the Microsoft Store. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 computer. Once the store opens, click on the search bar and type Miro. Now, select the official Miro app from the search results. After that, click on the Install or Get button to download and install the app on your computer. Wait a few moments while the installation completes. Once installed, click Open to launch the Miro desktop app. Now, sign into your Miro account or create a new account if needed. Method 2. Download Miro from the official website. Now, let's look at the second method using the official Miro website. Open your web browser and go to the official Miro desktop app download page. The app is available directly from Miro's website for Windows 64-bit systems. Once the website opens, download the Windows version of the Miro desktop app. After the file finishes downloading, open the installer from your Downloads folder. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Miro desktop app and sign in to your account. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Miro desktop app on your Windows 11 PC or laptop using both methods. Thanks for watching.